Did you know that the simple herbs you sprinkle into your meals can do more than just add flavor? From boosting your immunity to protecting your heart, culinary herbs are powerful little plants with big health benefits. Today, we'll explore how adding herbs to your cooking can transform your meals and your health. Herbs have been used for thousands of years, not just in cooking, but also in traditional medicine. Unlike salt or sugar, which can be harmful in excess, herbs pack in nutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that support your overall well-being. 1. Basil. Supports digestion. Contains anti-inflammatory compounds. Rich in antioxidants. 2. Parsley. High in vitamins A, C, and K. Supports bone health. Acts as a natural detoxifier. 3. Rosemary. Improves focus and memory. Contains compounds that may protect brain health. Supports circulation. 4. Cilantro. Helps detox heavy metals from the body. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Boosts immunity. 5. Mint. Aids digestion and soothes the stomach. Freshens breath naturally. May reduce fatigue and stress. Easy ways to use herbs daily. Add herbs to pasta, smoothies, salads, roasted veggies. Add fresh parsley or cilantro to salads and soups. Use basil in sauces, sandwiches, or homemade pesto. Brew mint or rosemary into teas. Sprinkle chopped herbs over roasted veggies or grilled proteins. Grow your own. Fresh herbs are easy to grow at home, even on a windowsill. Use them fresh or dried. Both forms retain benefits, though fresh herbs usually have more antioxidants. Flavor enhancer. Herbs allow you to reduce salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats while keeping food delicious. So, next time you're cooking, remember, those sprigs of parsley, basil, or rosemary are more than garnish. They're nature's way of adding both flavor and health to your meals. Start small, experiment, and let herbs take your cooking and your health to the next level. Eat well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.